Valutrades. Welcome back, traders. As a competent trader, you always check an economic calendar before you start looking at the markets every day. You will know that every economy has a variety of fundamental events scheduled every week. Some are important and will probably affect the markets, and others less so. Regardless, you may find it prudent to check more than one calendar as different organizations apply different levels of impact on different news events. Some traders check the calendar to avoid trading during these volatile times, while other traders use these events to their advantage. There are two types of economic events: scheduled and unscheduled. Market-moving unscheduled events are usually those that involved unexpected political news, big opinion polls, news of trade conflicts, or sudden aggression. The first thing that we need to understand about scheduled news events is that whether the resulting news is good or bad, the most important factor is how much the resulting figures missed analyst expectations. Trading before a news event can be dangerous, as we can generally not predict which way the news will go, and market volatility can cause the spreads to widen severely. Here's an example of what can happen. You can see the spread lines and the actual spread dramatically expanding at the release of the news event and during the first few minutes afterwards. Price action becomes volatile and the spreads are so erratic it may not be possible to enter the trade. A safer and more predictable way to trade is to look for counter-trend moves in price. Trading with the trend is always the best strategy, and price action against the trend, especially into support, resistance, or trend lines, is a great excuse for major market players to increase their positions and fill orders in the direction of the current trend. However, beware of huge moves from extreme number as data is released, as price may take some time to return to the current trend. Also, don't enter a trend until the spreads have returned to normal. When unexpected news like earthquakes, opinion polls, military aggression, and trade disputes move the markets, the same philosophy is true. When events calm down, price action often returns to normal, but we must always keep an eye on the current trend and the basics like support and resistance and our favorite indicators to take financial advantage. That's all for now. Happy trading with Valutrades, and we will see you soon. CFDs and FX are leveraged products, and your capital may be at risk.